Hello. Mm. Wonderful people, welcome once again to your channel of Baby Kid Foods, a channel of amazing recipe. I hope you are well wherever you are, wherever you're watching this video from. Otherwise, if you are new here, feel welcome. Thank you so much for choosing Baby Kid Foods. Kindly view my videos. If you love them, give them a thumbs up, then share with your friends, and also remember to switch on your notification bell so that whenever posting new videos, you will be among the first people to see my video. So my wonderful people, today I'm back with this recipe. I want to do some onion omelette. I love this kind of recipe because it's very fast, it's very easy to make, it's quick and easy to make. We can use it as a snack, as a bite. We can also use it for breakfast. So let's cook together. The ingredients I have for my onion omelette, first of all, I have onion. I have two of them. I'll just dice the other one just to save me time. So I have two medium-sized onion. I have spring onions. I have sausages, diced sausages. I have my 3 eggs here. I have all-purpose flour, and I have some chopped carrots. So I have a carrot here. I'm going to add it to the chopped one just to make it much easier. So guys, these are the ingredients that I have, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use in making my omelette. So let's wait. For you to make a nice onion omelette, you need a large onion. It's so unfortunate that I could not get a big one, so I'll just work with what is there. So you need a large one because we are going to cut it in circular. So this is what we do. You see, after cutting it, this just to be accurate. So once we cut it this way, we need this at the outer part. So we are just going to push in to remove. And you have to be gentle, guys. We need circles like this. So though that is so small, but we need larger ones. So this is how we make them. So we need this. So I'll continue doing the same. Like this one is torn here. So already that is just as easy as that, guys. So that is how we cut this. So stay tuned. So guys, after removing them like this, these are not going into waste. We are still going to cut this one into small pieces. Make sure you cut them. Cut them to this size, guys. For the carrots, we're going to cut them into small pieces. So this is how we do it. The same size as for the onions. So guys, we are going to cut them this way, same size. Now, just to save us time, I'd already cut some, so this is what I have. Then next I have my spring onions, also the same size, the same shape. This is the same size. I've already done some, so just add them here. Next there, I have my diced sausages, my diced red onions, spring onions, and carrots. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. All-purpose flour. I'll mix. I'll add in my onions. Add my spring onions. I'll mix up everything. Adding salt to taste. This is the way I've put them, so I'm just going to add my mix in here after putting some oil. And then if you don't have this such kind of pan, you can just use normal pan. So these are the circles, my onion circles. So this is onion omelette. So let's get to the cooking. Let's see. These are onion omelettes. So once they are done, we're going to take them out. You can see this, guys. Very tasty. So you can make as many as you can. Look at this. If you have this omelette pan, you're going to do that. Make sure you add some little oil in each circle. If you can get big onion that can fit in here, the better.
guys, it is so tasty. So guys, these are the ones that I've done using the pan. Some of them I used the omelette pan, some of them I've just used normal pan. And just see here, guys, it's very tasty. Just look at them. So you can either serve it this way, just the way I've done. You can serve it this way, or you can serve them this other way. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you try it out. You will really love